Hey everyone, Jeremy with Paragon Performance. It is September, which means we've got another month of new products for you, so let's get started. First up from Paragon Performance, we have brake lines. These are stainless steel brake lines for you track guys. As we all know, the factory lines are a rubber line, and over time those can degrade and contract and expand under heavy braking conditions on track. So we've gone ahead and made some stainless steel ones. These are a black coated stainless steel brake line, so they're gonna look very much like an OEM line. And then the bracketry is all OEM-like, so it's gonna mount along the control arms in the same spots, all the brackets are there, and it's gonna make a very easy install and get rid of that brake pedal play that you may experience on track as your fluid heats up and your factory lines start to expand. And these brake lines are 100% DOT approved and individually pressure tested after final assembly. So head over to the website and find out some more information. Next up from us here at Paragon is a tuning option, and this is flex fuel kits. Now we have talked about E85 in the past. If you watch some of our tuning videos, we now have full flex tune capability with HP tuners. It's going to come with a control module that's going to test the amount of ethanol content in your fuel and adjust the tune accordingly. This again has to be done in-house here at Paragon though, because it does require a special GM tool to resync the CAN bus units together. But if you're in the area in the Midwest and you love E85, we've got the flex tune solution available for you now, so you can run 93, E20, full E85, whatever you want. So if you are interested in E85 tuning, be sure to reach out to us on our support page and we can get you in touch with Graham, our tuner, and work on that solution for you. Next up, we have a few new items from our favorite stick-on brand, CCS. First one being our transmission panel cover, and that is going to be previously found in a black carbon fiber, and now it's available in a red carbon fiber. So if you're looking for something to just dress that area up, red carbon fiber is available. Moving to the outside of the car, we talked about these before. It is the A-pillar anti-buffeting. We have them available in carbon fiber, and like usually everything we do, eventually it comes out in carbon flash. So this is now available in a painted carbon flash. So if you don't like that carbon fiber look, but you want to get some anti-buffeting in the car so your head's not bouncing around at certain speeds, this is a great way to do that. And the last one from CCS is door sill guards. These are going to stick right over your factory door sills, and they're just in carbon fiber. There's no writing on them or anything, but it is a nice little touch if you have other carbon fiber stuff in your car and you kind of want to get rid of that factory brushed aluminum or chrome look. These carbon fiber ones are an easy way to blend in the rest of that carbon fiber. Up next, we have Carbotech brake pads, and this is going to be for you Z06 guys that have steel rotors. And it's going to be the 1521 compound, so it's going to be low dust, no brake noise. So if you have the Z06 with the steel rotors and you're getting that brake dust on the car and you're tired of looking at the dirty wheels or dirty sides of the car that are all black right away, get on the website, grab a set of these new 1521 pads. We've got them in stock. And up from EVENTURI, this has been a long time coming. It is their coupler, and this coupler is going to work with the EVENTURI intake for the coupe. And then if you have the LINGENFELTER / PTR intake manifold, it's going to help these two mate up and make extra power together, because both of them paired together do stack mod-wise as far as power gains go. So if you have a EVENTURI intake and a PTR, or if you've been kind of on the fence about that, now's the time to hop on the website and grab all three and get to going. And last up, we have an item that is for us going into winter, and it is going to be CTEK battery chargers. So if you didn't get a battery charger with your Corvette and you'd like one, we've got two options from CTEK. One's a little cheaper and it's just an automatic. You plug it in and it's going to trickle charge and keep your car battery at peak performance. And then the other one is going to have a recondition function and a test function. So we'll be able to test the battery, test the alternator, test the startup function, just let you know overall battery health. Both of those are in stock, and they're great things to have around and on your car during the winter. And you guys might have noticed these beautiful gold wheels behind me on our Z06. We do have the option to get custom made Z06 wheels from VOSSEN. Now they can be made in a ton of different wheel options. This is something you need to contact us for, and we kind of help walk you through the process. But in the past, we've heard some rumors about, oh, it has to be a two-piece wheel to be on a Z06, or it has to be this, it has to be that. And that's not true at all. We've got these custom forged aluminum CNC made at VOSSEN, and they can be done in a ton of colors, and the fitment is spot on. So if that's something you're looking for your Z06, get a hold of us. We'll talk to you, we'll talk about offsets, and we'll get you set up correctly. And that is it from us here at Paragon Performance for September. As we roll into the colder months and October, we actually have a bunch of stuff coming out that was developed early spring. A big one coming out that we'll talk about next month is springs for the Z06. So that's gonna be pretty cool. Otherwise, we'll see you in the month of Ghosts and Goblins. I'm tired. Everyone, it's Jeremy at Paragon, and nobody's ever in the shop except for when we try to film. So let's get started. We got products for September. Oh, finally, we got some silence. Okay. Here we go. Hey, everyone, it's September. Oh, that doesn't work. I was trying to do the bar, the October. Have you seen that yet? Hey, everyone, Jeremy. Oh, nope, don't like it. And these brake pads are 100%. Yeah, they're not brake pads, they are brake lines. And these brake pads, damn it!